Hey, 1 in 7 US home investors lost money on their investment in the month of March. Now, you don't cry too much for them because the average US investor made $145,000 when they sold the properties that they had on the market. Now, that's not all profit. Some of that went for the rehab and construction costs and everything else that they had to do to get the property maybe flipped or back on the market. But profits are down for sure among these flippers and investors out there in the marketplace. Now, why would that be? Well, holding costs are higher, interest rates are higher, there's less to choose from, so there's higher competition when something does come on the market that meets their criteria. Now, how can you help as a realtor? How can you be somebody that investors turn to? I can tell you from a personal experience, what I'm experiencing happened twice this week. I actually had 2 different agents representing 2 different buyers call me, and their scripting was really pretty interesting. They said, Jim, I just noticed that you purchased some real estate investment property recently. And the reason I'm calling is because I have an investor myself who's in the market to buy something. Do you have anything that's you're holding, maybe some piece of property that you've been thinking about selling now that you bought some other things? Would you consider selling something else? And I thought, what an interesting strategy. They just identified that I bought something, and now they're thinking that I might be in the market to sell something. And this is what we call in market. When you look at Google and you're doing Google advertising, they actually have a category that says, what kind of clients are you looking for? And one of the categories is in market. And that means that people are in market, means they're in flow. They're searching, they're engaged, they're really in market. And that could be for a lot of different categories. But for us in real estate, meaning I just bought something, it might mean that I'm on the track to sell something too. And they're kind of playing on that. I thought that was really, really interesting. Now, the other call that I got, the third call that I got was from somebody that just identified that I own quite a bit of real estate, and same script. Hey, I've got somebody that wants to complete a 1031 exchange. Would you consider selling one of your holdings? They definitely have some interest in buying something at a reasonable cap rate. The point being here for all of this is that they're not looking at just what's on the surface of the market. What's on the surface of the market is what's in MLS, and all that's been picked over. That's been cherry picked. What you got to go is beneath the surface and look at all the properties that are not on the market. And you got to dig deep. This is the way you're going to win for your clients. This is the way you're going to win for yourself. Get out there and dig for opportunities. And there's a ton of them out there in the market. Guys, if you want more ideas, you want to really turn on your lead generation strategies, join us over at eRealEstateCoach.com. We've got an incredible coaching program over there called the Path Performance Coaching. 3 live coaching sessions every single week, plus 20 weeks of a boot camp to really get your lead generation kind of systems up and running and creating some profit for you immediately. We give you hundreds of downloads, scripts, forms, checklists, all kinds of things, marketing assets delivered to you every month, probably about 20 to 30 different marketing assets that are going to roll out to you fresh, clean, things they can put out on social media that will make you look amazing. And we give you the 2 weeks for free just to check it out and see if it's right for you. Hope to see you over there soon. Have a great day. Good selling.